In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your invoice email in ClickUp. So if you want to change your invoice email to a different email, then the best thing you need to do is to go ahead and change it in ClickUp account. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your ClickUp workspace and click on it on this drop down arrow, and then go ahead and choose settings. Now under settings, head to this upgrade and click on it option under workspace. This will show all available plans. Scroll down until you go to this section called invoice. Currently you're told receive email notifications for new invoices. It is toggled off. Now down below here you can see your invoice recipient email is here. However, if you like to change it, you can use this change option. However, it is inactive. To activate it, go ahead and toggle off this receive email notifications for new invoices. Now you can see the recipient email is active, and now you can go ahead and change it. From here, go ahead and now enter the new email that you want to switch to. For instance, I'll enter mine. And once you're done, now click on save changes, and now instantly the recipient email will be changed. So that's how you can change invoice email in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.